It's snowing. Woo! There it goes! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa, there's a big wind gust. It's a bit of a doozy. I've been shoveling for 2 hours. And I'm done. We're done until the storm's over. I'll shovel again later today, but yeah, that's it. It's a bit of a doozy. We're having our neighbor blow snow into our backyard. Oh, who likes the snow now? Yeah, well, it's a bit of a doozy. It's not ending until 9 o'clock tonight. And then it's gonna snow on Thursday, another bit of a doozy. Oh, I can't close it. It's stuck. It won't close. And then have our neighbor come blow the snow, and then he'll just, and if he accidentally blew it too far, he'll just come to the patio. I'll take a break and I'm gonna go play with the dog. Mama loves the snow. Peace out.